Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make crispy fried tilapia. For the ingredients you're going to need tilapia fillets. I use 4 of them. You just need to make sure to wash them and pat dry them. You will also need Italian style breadcrumbs and 2 eggs. The first thing you're going to do is get a big bowl and crack the eggs into it. Whisk the egg and then add a little bit of water. Mix thoroughly and then set aside. Pour about half a cup of breadcrumbs into a plate. Now you're ready to coat. Make sure to put 1 fish at a time into the eggs and then into the breadcrumbs. Make sure that it's evenly coated, and then you're going to place it onto a sheet pan or whatever you like, and then keep doing it until all your fish is coated. Get a big pan and then turn on the heat to medium-high. You will need about 4 tablespoons of oil. Make sure that it is hot before placing the fish inside. When the oil is hot, go ahead and place 1 fish at a time into the pan. It should sizzle. If it does not sizzle like this, then it is not hot enough. You're going to have to wait a little bit longer. Make sure that you do not overcrowd the pan, but place enough to fit the pan. After about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the sides of your fish are golden brown, you're ready to flip the fish over. Make sure to flip it away from yourself so that the oil does not splat in your face. Cook on the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're ready to plate. There you have it, crispy fried tilapia. Enjoy!